Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clear all slicer selections at once in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you're working with multiple slicers and need a quick way to reset everything without manually clearing each one individually. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it loaded up, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Click on View to access the viewing options for your workspace. This is where you can control different panels and settings that affect how you interact with your report. After clicking View, you'll see options appear. Click on Bookmarks and then Selection. These two features work together to help you manage and control the state of visuals in your report. Once you've clicked these options, you'll notice that on the right side of your screen, two new panes will appear showing you the Selection and Bookmarks panels. These are the tools we'll be using to create our Clear All function. Now focus on the Bookmarks pane. Click the Add button to create a new bookmark. This bookmark will essentially capture the current state of your report at this moment. Once you've added it, you'll see a new bookmark appear in the list. Double-click on it to rename it something descriptive like Clear Selections. This helps you remember what this bookmark does when you come back to your report later. Next, click the three dots beside your newly renamed bookmark. From the menu that appears, make sure that data is checked. This ensures the bookmark captures the data state of your slicers. Then click Selected Visuals instead of All Visuals. This gives you more control over exactly which elements the bookmark affects. Now switch your attention to the Selection pane. This is where you'll select all the slicers you want to include in your Clear function. Click on one slicer first, then hold down the Control key or Shift key on your keyboard and click on each additional slicer you want to include. This allows you to select multiple slicers at once, which is much faster than selecting them one by one. With all your slicers selected, go back to the Bookmarks pane and click the three dots beside Clear Selections again. This time click Update. This updates the bookmark to remember which slicers you've selected, essentially telling Power BI which slicers should be cleared when this bookmark is activated. Now we need to create a button that users can click to trigger this clear action. At the top of the screen, click Insert, then click Button and select Blank. This adds a blank button to your report canvas that you can customize however you like. With the button selected, look at the right side of your screen where you'll see Format Button options. Click on Style, then toggle the text option on. In the text field that appears, type something clear like Clear Selection so users know exactly what this button does. Next, click on Fill and choose a color that fits your report's design. This makes the button visually appealing and easy to spot on your report page. Now for the crucial step that makes this button functional, toggle the action option on. This enables the button to perform an action when clicked. Click the drop-down menu under Type and select Bookmark. Then under the Bookmark drop-down, select Clear Selections, which is the bookmark we created earlier. And that's it. You've successfully created a Clear All button for your slicers in Power BI. Now, whenever users need to reset their selections, they can simply click this button instead of manually clearing each slicer one by one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.